Today we bring you a video on the SOURSOP. Through this video, you will discover the benefits and all the characteristics of this famous fruit. The SOURSOP, also known as the thorny SOURSOP, is a tropical fruit that is little known to the general public around the world. It is a fruit that will bring to your health the incredible benefit of eliminating inflammation in your body. Give you years of youth to fight many types of cancer that can surface at any time in your life. In this video today, I will share with you the 5 great benefits of SOURSOP, and at the end of the video. At the end of the video you will know the benefits of consuming SOURSOP in order to benefit from all of its characteristics and allow you to stay very healthy. Let's go! Number 1. Natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. This fruit is capable of preventing and curing certain inflammatory diseases that can affect your body, such as arthritis and rheumatism. The SOURSOP as a whole contains anti-inflammatory substances and antioxidants that will help you even with common stomach problems such as bloating, gas, or indigestion, and will also help to reduce the levels of acidity in the stomach and prevent and control diseases such as gastritis and ulcer. Number 2. Thanks to these antioxidant properties, SOURSOP is able to delay aging, as it will help your body increase its resistance to free radicals, anemia, and other causes of the aging process. It also stores nutritional components that are more than necessary to strengthen bone health and prevent osteoporosis, like calcium phosphorus. Number 3. Helps your immune system. SOURSOP contains vitamin C, which is known to boost your immune system. SOURSOP helps prevent common health problems such as colds and flu. Vitamin C helps make these illnesses last much less time. Consuming SOURSOP or applying some of its infusion to the skin can help you heal wounds much faster due to its regenerative properties. Number 4. A great source of energy. This special fruit is full of micronutrients that improve your metabolism and will be excellent for giving you energy in a natural and healthy way. I recommend consuming SOURSOP in the morning or before doing sports in order to get rid of fatigue and get motivated. The consumption of this fruit will also allow you to stimulate and reduce anxiety and stress thanks to some of its components. Number 5. Helps to take care of your eyesight. One of the best properties of the SOURSOP is thanks to lutein, which is an antioxidant. Extremely important for the health of your eyes. Consuming SOURSOP will help you reduce the risk of developing eye diseases such as cataracts and degeneration that forms in your eyes, to prevent damage and even vision loss. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel by activating the little bell so that you can continue to enjoy our valuable recipes on this channel.